Precast Designer for Revit can automatically calculate different types of structures. In this case, a rectangular reinforced concrete tank with 2 compartments will be presented. The calculation can be carried out both considering liquid and granular materials. In the example, Eurocode 8 Part 4 and Eurocode 1 Part 4 are used for liquid materials. To define the area occupied by the liquid, it is possible to use the Revit rooms. The maximum height of the liquid will be defined by the height of the room. If the material assigned to the room is a liquid, it will be necessary to define additional information for the seismic part. In particular, the number of Bessel iterations and the number of sloshing modes. Using the ARMA Analytical Model Automation command, it will be possible to automatically generate the calculation model of the tank. Constrained conditions such as Winkler soil can also be generated automatically. The calculation model is automatically associated with the geometric model. For the pre-processing part, it is also possible to define the seismic parameters based on the selected code. Different types of loads can be generated automatically, such as wind loads, thermal loads, moving loads, and more. Additional loads can, however, be defined manually in Revit. Once the analytical model has been generated, the generation of the robot file will occur automatically with all the necessary loads and combinations. Just run the RSA-link command. Several options are present in this command. For example, the calculation results can be automatically reported to Revit. A series of checks can be activated, such as geotechnical, reinforcement, and others. Once the command is launched, the software will start robot and save the robot file with all loads in a subfolder. The mesh size can be set directly in Revit. Once the calculation has been performed, the results are visible as maps in Revit with the command present in the Analysis tab. You can see in the results also all the combinations generated. For example, ultimate limit state combinations or seismic combinations. By opening Robot, you can see the calculation model generated with the static and seismic loads of the liquid, the static load of the ground based on the topography modeled in Revit, the load of the seismic ground, and more. All the combinations are generated in Robot. For liquid loads, the Bessel formulation is used. As can be seen from the images, the liquid loads for the 2 compartments are generated with the relative combinations.